Hello, judges of the VS Code 2026 hackathon. For our submission, we built this app called Docket. Aligned with the theme of automation, Docket helps you automate your tasks and chores that you have to do online. Now, a task can be anything from downloading some movies you're going to watch on your next plane ride to maybe filling out some forms for an application. Now, how Docker works is it uses a DeepSeek API and a Playwright Chromium browser to basically take cycles of semantic screenshots and clicks and typing to complete any task. Now, here's an example. For example, I want to know the weather in Vancouver right now. And normally you could, of course, just search this up, but imagine this as a more repetitive or complex task. Now, on send, what it will do is basically, it's gonna open the browser, and here, as you can see, it instantly searches up weather Vancouver. It gets what it needs, and it gives you a summary. The summary is the current weather in Vancouver is 20 degrees Celsius and it's sunny. Then if you click, you can see a more detailed view on how it got to the answer. Now let's close that. Let's say sometimes you get stuck, right? Sometimes the AI gets stuck, whether that's filling out credentials or solving a CAPTCHA. Now our system can automatically detect CAPTCHAs since AI cannot solve it on its own right now. So go on. Now, for example, you could ask it something like this. Now, when it goes on the site and it sees a CAPTCHA, the app instantly stops the agent to avoid wasting tokens, and it asks the user to solve it. Now, right now, this is a work in progress, and while you can click and it's pretty responsive, the FPS isn't really that high, and the clicks are not always accurate or in the location you want. It's going to take a long time to solve this CAPTCHA in the current system. So let's say you're bored of that, you can just ask the AI to remove the current task for CAPTCHA. Now after that, it can just remove the task and you're back to this screen. There's some bugs right now in the system where the CAPTCHA link is saved, so after you do another site, you have to finish that CAPTCHA first, but we're working towards fixing that. Of course, you can make a new chat where you can just start a new conversation with it with new tasks. Of course, the task history is also still saved. So basically, that's our app, and I'm going to move on to explaining the code.